Hi, class. Welcome to week 5. This is our final week. This is our power week. This is the week that you wrap up everything and you take a deep breath before the next term start on Monday. Now, before I go over week 5, I want to recap week 4. So in week 4, we talked about problem solving. Before we get into the actual recap, I want to remind you that you can still do your end of term survey. I want to remind you that your voice is very important to us. So please give your feedback about the course, about the curriculum, so that we can make improvements to make it better for all students. Please engage in that in every course that you take. It's very important. Don't think that we don't read it. We do. We read every one. So go ahead and do that. Now, let's recap with problem solving. We talked about critical thinking and problem solving. You guys talked about how you solve problems in your job. You talked about how you solve problems in your personal life, and you guys gave great examples of how you do this. So great job in the discussion board. And then in assignment 4, you guys helped Aslan solve his problem about whether he should stay in the pharmacy tech or the pharmacy program, or should he change to something that he would enjoy more. Excellent analysis and excellent examples of what you would do in those situations. I have no doubt that you guys are ready to continue on in Vista and will be able to critically think and problem solve. Okay? Now, let's get into week 5. Week 5, we're going to talk about having a growth mindset. Now, I say this is a powerful week because this week actually sets the tone for the rest of your time in Vista. Because what do you want to accomplish with Vista? First of all, you want your degree and you want to go out there and you want to get a better career, right? So, because you want that, you have to have a growth mindset. So, I want you to take a look at the videos in this course about having a growth mindset. Look at the video about embracing challenges. Don't run away from challenges. Embrace them and learn how to grow through them. And then the power of mistakes. We learn so much from our mistakes, and we become better people, and we become better at what we do through our mistakes. Mistakes sometimes are the best things that happen to us. They don't feel good at the time, but on the other side of that, we are smarter, wiser, better. And then the power of yet. Though I messed up, yet I am still here and I'm still going. So I want you guys to engage in those videos, and then in your discussion, you're going to talk about what you learned in this class, what was most valuable to you, kind of put them in ranking order, what was the most important to the least important. And then you have 2 assignments. Now, remember when I told you grades matter in this course? These 2 assignments are worth 100 points. That's 200 points in this week. Oh, plus your discussion, 260 points this week. So I suggest you guys get in early and get those assignments done early. Don't wait till the last minute, and don't skip out on these assignments. These are hefty points. Now, I've gotten off my soapbox about the grade matters. You're going to talk about in these assignments, consider your mindset. Do you have a growth mindset? What type of mindset do you have? And you're going to write a short paper on that. And then you're going to say, how can yet transform your mindset? And you're going to talk about that and give an example of a yet situation, or give an example, if you do have a growth mindset, on how you use that mindset to overcome something or to become successful in something. Okay? Now, a few other little things. I told you, remember to do your end of term survey. Also, if you have any missing assignments, don't fail this class because you didn't do the work. Go and do the work. Finish those assignments. Call me if you need something. If you don't understand something, give me a ring, okay? Also, in the discussion board, don't just submit your initial discussion. Your responses to other students is worth 30 points. Remember to post to 2 other students at least, okay? All right, guys, it's going to be a great week. I'm around if you need me. Give me a call. All right, take care.